Can you please tell me your name, title, and years at PSFEI?
Hello, my name is Mark Kenepp. My title is Systems Engineering Specialist. I've been at PSFEI for 5 years.
Tell us a little bit more about your role and what you do for PSFEI.
So I manage the Visible Emissions Test Program, otherwise known as Smoke School. And what we do is we travel around the state with this truck behind me. We certify people every 6 months to read smoke per the EPA Method 9. What you do is read plumes of white smoke, plumes of black smoke, and you have to have them accurate within a certain degree of error. And every 6 months they need to do that to be able to read the emissions at their facilities to comply with any clean air permits that they have.
What would you consider the best part of your job?
My favorite part of the job is probably just being outside, enjoying the sunshine most of the time. Sometimes it rains, but that's not a big deal. FEI gives me some good rain gear, but the other part of it is, you get to see people every 6 months, you get familiar with faces, and I've made some friendships and look forward to seeing those people every once in a while and just catch up on what's going on at their job. And I love the work itself because I still get to use my engineering skills to maintain the equipment and troubleshoot any problems that might come up.
Is there anything else you would like to share?
Yes, before coming to FEI, I worked 20 plus years in manufacturing and mostly in the ultrasound transducer fabrication area, both for the healthcare industry and for the industrial side of it. And I learned a lot. It was a great experience, but it got me to where I am today, and I just felt like I needed to change after a while. I saw this position available at FEI. Didn't know what visible emissions was necessarily. I looked it up, did some reading, and I thought, that sounds pretty cool and interesting. I'll check into that. And here I am 5 years later, still doing it. It's a great team I work with. Tom, Wayne, Meredith, Joanne, Heather, and my manager, Beth, they make my job very easy. So one more thing I wanted to talk about before this is over is when I was hired, there was a strategic plan in place to develop and fabricate a backup system to the truck. So in case anything would go wrong or we needed a backup system, we would have a separate system that was mounted on a tow-behind trailer. And I'm happy to say, finally, it's been a long road, but that trailer, which is sitting to my right behind the truck, is just about ready for action. It's got a few more tweaks that it needs, but it might be coming to a smoke school near you, so keep an eye out. And lastly, just thank you for watching this video, and look forward to continuing my career at FEI, and see you in the next video. Thanks.